Guys, welcome back to Appendix Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called Billu Box 2. So, what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So, the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So, first open the terminal. You just type net discover minus I 80. So, you identify your target machine is here. So now you just type here nmap minus t4 minus a as an aggressive scan and enter. So if you enter, you got a result. One is available with SH, another one is available with 80, and another one is available with RPC byte, and another port target port is 8080. So first we would like to look one of the targeted port. Let's see. So enter the targeted IP address 192.168.18.24. So you can see here Billu box 2 with a log from initial lab. So there is no anything else. So once we identify here, it's an powered by Drupal. So we would like to exploit the Drupal directly. So now we would like to come back here, file, new tab. So you just type here MSF console. Let's start this one. So also we would like to look here another targeted port is 168.18.24 is 8080. We would like to look this another. Yes, it's worked like as an Tomcat 7 which was installed. So that's none of our matter. So our target is only here. So here have running.txt.gz. So this is does not require for our requirement. So our target requirement only this one, Billu box 2. So just close this. Now let's see. So let's wait for this MSF console. So it's taking too long time to come this. Yeah, now it's came. Now let's see here. So I just open here again MSF console for as an backup. Let it load. So it's taking too long. So now I just type here search Drupal and Drupal Gidan 2. So we got it here as an excellent check yes Drupal Gidan 2 from an API property for injection. So you just type here use 0. Now let's see. Okay, now you just type here set rhost equal to enter the targeted IP address 192.168.18.34. Now we just type here, that's it. We just type here exploit. We can see here the exploit will run now. The target is vulnerable. Now we can get it this directly. Now let's see. Yes, we have successfully got here as an interpreter shell. So you just type here shell. Now you just type ID, you got it ID. So you just type here which Python, you got it here Python. You just type here Python minus C, import pdy span bin bash. So we have successfully got it here. So now we would like to look here lsp release minus a. So it's like event to 14.0.5. So we can exploit this one. So we would like to look some other useful information. So just type here list minus la. You just type here etc or password. So we have all the read and write permission access. So now I just type here cat etc password. So we can see here all. So but we would like to change something here like initial. So we would like to change. We don't know the username of this password. So we just change in the initial. So for that we would like to type here file, a new tab. We just type here uh, open SL password -1 minus salt. You just type here as ABC and password is pass123. That's it. So this is your password. Just copy this one. So as you have copied this one, now we would like to look here, come back here. You just type here nano etc password. No, it's not opening. So now I would like to copy entirely from here as a tomcat. Go here until here. So just copy here, come back here. You just type here mousepad password, then paste it. So now you need to delete entirely of this one from here until here. So I would like to delete until from here. I just delete this one. So I just make it this one as 1000. I just make it as 0. Now 0. Now you just need to entirely just copy this code. Copy, come back here. Now you just paste it. That's it. Now I just save this. Now I just close this. Now I just type plus. Here have password. Now I just type here cat password. Yes. So now we can see here we have successfully printed our password here. So you would like to look without an error. So I have made an error here. Now I would like to type here again mousepad password. Now I just need to give as one more colon. That's enough. Now we just save this, close it. Now you would like to look. Oh, sorry. I just type here. Look here. Yes, now we are ready to go. Now we just type here as exit. Yes, yes. So now I just type here. Uh, so now we came to an meter beta session. So now I just type here cd etc. So we are in the etc. Now you just type here pwd. We are in the etc. Okay. Now you just type here upload from home, and you need to specify from where your password file is available. So your password file is available here, PASSWD. That's it. So we have successfully uploaded here again. So now you just type here Python minus C. So first you would like to type here as a shell. Now you just type here ID. We are getting. So you just type here Python minus C. Import pdy span bin bash. So we are successfully logged in here. So now I just type here su initial. Password is, you just need to enter the password where you have enter. This is the password. Just copy this one, come back here, paste it. So we have successfully came to a root access directly. Now we just type here uh, who am I? We are in the directly as a root. So now our next task is we just type here the cd. We just type here cd home. Oh, sorry, cd home ls minus air cd initial ls minus air. So here we not get any type of useful information. So now our target is we would like to find underscore brm minus u equal to yes minus type f 2 is greater than dev or null. That's it. Just enter. Now we would like to look where we can get it here. So now we can see here in the opt minus s, we find as I'm getting the to get a root privilege access from here. Now we would like to go for here. Let it scan entirely first. So we have successfully cracked the SSH also. Now let it complete this one first. So it's taking a little bit time. Let it be. So we have successfully completed this one. So just type here clear. Now this does not require. Come back. So it's taking a little bit time. How long it will take? Gonna enter this. Yes, we have successfully got it. So now we go to a temp directory, cd attempt, list minus air. Now here no have anything else. So now we just need to create with an echo as bin sh scp. So now I just give chmod 777 and SCP. Now you just need to type as export path equal to $10 path. We have done. Now we would like to go for a CD opt. Now you just type plus minus here. There is only one S, so you just need to type yes. That's it. So we have successfully came to the entire of machine root related access. So you just write ID. We are entire of the root. You can see here. So now you just type here cd root list minus here. So now that's it. So there is no any type of flags here to capture. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.